where's your videos at?
No, I'm asking, you got a problem, because you talk a lot of shit lately.
He wants to know where your Brooklyn video's at. Be specific.
I'm behind the mic, you got a problem with me, we can meet up. I don't have a problem with that.
Let him come off. Let him come off.
You know, because you seem like you want to jump in front of Richie, but you know already, I show up. I'm no punk bitch behind the radio. You know I show up.
Hey, I show up too. Hell, I'm not like you. Shit, I ain't got a problem with nobody. I just think this shit's been going on for months and months and years.
It seems like you want to jump in front of Richie, so, you know, like I said, I don't need the respect to give me, but you want to act stupid, you want to start clowning?
Hey, Brooklyn Bird, he's making a very big implication to you. He's trying to tell you, you know I showed up. But Bird, did you ever hear Richie agree to meet him anytime at any given time at the Barclay?
And they don't know the consequence. Whatever happens to them. Like I said, I'm not one that's threatened to fucking someone do this and that.
Yo, Brooklyn Bird, he all over you. He hot, man. When he come off that key, ask him, say, where's your Brooklyn videos posted at? Just like that.
Alright, that's number one. It's a known fact that he's a fucking junkie. That's number two. And it's a known fact that he has mental illness. That bitch is 730. Listen to him. Listen to all the claims he makes. And then come back to me and tell me it's a lie.
Hey, 250, where's your videos at? I've seen Richie's, but I haven't seen yours.
I got him. You gotta look at my page. Your videos are there.
Where's the Brooklyn videos? Where'd you post the Brooklyn videos?
Smart enough to find them. I can't hold your hand and guide you.
Wow, look at that. No Brooklyn videos.
Going red-handed over at the homeless shelter.
Hey, there's number 4. He's
Top of the morning to pick up Josh, 88 with
he got his number 4. We're hanging out with transgenders at one of the local homeless shelters. That's good.
red-handed. They got it on video.
Yeah, we got it on video. Yeah, and I'm the president. Yeah, okay. You don't have shit on video of me, you dumb fuck. You wish you did, but that'll never happen.
They got him red-handed.
Yeah, good. Yeah, I'm Mikey. I'm number 4. I'm a retard. Listen, he even sounds like a fucking backward hillbilly. Fuck laughs like that. Listen to number 4, the hillbilly. Who laughs like that? You even laugh like a fucking retard. I bet you got like 3 teeth in your mouth. I bet your nickname is Punkie. They probably call Mike now.